Welcome everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and click the bell icon to receive future notifications from our channel. So welcome everybody, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to HExcelprop, welcome back again. And this time this video is about how to plan for buying a property. Step by step we'll look at the guidance. Of course, see, buying a property is one of the biggest decisions that you will ever make. Even if I'm buying a property, definitely it's going to be one of the biggest decisions that I'll be making. So for that, how do we plan it? What are all things to remember? What to verify and what not to verify? Everything we'll discuss in this video. Whether it's your dream home or your first investment, but where do you even start? How do we start? So let us in this video understand step by step. Plan to buy your property the smart way. So let's begin. Let us start with the step 1, set up your goal. Step 2, know your knowledge. Step 3, pick up the right location. Step 4, do market research. And step 5, shortlist and visit properties. So these are a few of the 5 points, and let us look out the more 5 steps to follow. Verify legal documents, arrange home loan, finalize and register, take the possession, and keep records and plan ahead. So now let us understand each and every step, how important this is. Step 1 is going to be, of course, we need to set your goal, whether this is for investment you're looking or for living for yourself or rental. It's like start with a clear goal. Are you buying a property to invest, to live, or for rental income? Your purpose will shape everything from the location to budget and to the type of property you choose. This is very, very important point. The first point is very, very important. The first step before you take it. The next we have the budget. The second step, down payment, loan eligibility, and emergency funds. Like figure out how much you can afford. This includes not just the price of the property, but also the hidden cost like registration, stamp duty, interiors, and maintenance. So these are very, very important. We have to figure out the budget. Then pick up the right location. The right location matters more than anything. Look for the good connectivity, upcoming infrastructure, schools, hospital, and future appreciation potential. Definitely. Future appreciation potential matters to the investors for sure. Hospitals, schools, and all these things definitely matters. Next, we do some of like market research is very, very important. Don't jump into the first deal. Study the market, compare properties in the area, talk to the locals or talk to the recent trends. Like you can also use online portals, visit open houses, or talk to the agents, the property advisors who can help you getting the right product. The fourth point, the market research. Next, just shortlist and visit properties. You can shortlist whatever the projects you want, like 3 to 5 or etc. Go and visit them, look at the layout, light, ventilation, vastu, and quality of construction. Sixth point, verify the legal document. This is where many buyers go wrong. Make sure the property has a clear title, all approvals, RERA registration, and no legal issues. If you're not sure, hire a legal expert. That matters a lot, right? Arrange home loan. Compare loan offers from the banks. Choose the one with the lowest interest rate and best flexibility. Get a pre-approved to speed up the process, right? The 8, finalize and register. Once you have done, made your choice, negotiate if possible, pay the token amount and sign the sale agreement, the complete registration with all the legal formalities, right? Ninth comes the next step, take possession. Before you move in, do a final check of the property, get all documents like the sale deed, payment receipts, and utility transfer details, etc. Very, very important. Take the possession. And the final, keep records and plan ahead. Finally, store all your documents safely, both digital and hard copies. Consider getting home loan insurance and plan your next steps like furnishing or renting. So these are the 10 steps to follow. Looking for more clarification, don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to contact us. Call us. We have given our number in description, title, and also on the video top. So for any information, feel free to reach us. So that's your complete roadmap to buying a property. So if you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and ask questions. So myself, Syed, helping you make the smarter real estate moves. See you in the next one.